Happy Thursday, everybody. I'm Amanda Head, the Hollywood Conservative, and this is your Hollywood Minute. You have undoubtedly heard about the Supreme Court decision that came out regarding constitutional carry, our Second Amendment. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. You know, we as gun owners and protectors of the Second Amendment, we are constantly getting beat down. And our Second Amendment is constantly getting beat back and trampled on. And it is just really glorious that at least for now, at least for today, we can rejoice in a decision that moves the ball a little bit back in the other direction. So I will just run down some of the details in this article. The Supreme Court ruled 6-3 this morning that New York's proper cause requirement for concealed carry permit issuance is unconstitutional. So this was the New York State Rifle and Pistol Association v. Bruen. You probably heard about it in the news, and it centered on denials for permits under New York's concealed carry permitting law. The NYSRPA, the New York State Rifle and Pistol Association, filed suit claiming that one of its members was eligible for a permit, but was denied because of New York's requirement that concealed carry applicants prove why they need to carry a gun. The case ultimately dealt with the scope of the Second Amendment, whether the right to keep and bear arms applies only in the home, no, or outside the home, yes, as well. When SCOTUS granted cert in the case, the NYSRPA responded, "This case challenges New York's requirement that applicants demonstrate proper cause to carry a firearm. New York regularly uses this requirement to deny applicants the right to carry a firearm outside of their home. The NRA believes that law-abiding citizens should not be required to prove they are in peril to receive the government's permission to exercise this constitutionally protected right." NRA ILA Director Jason Ouimet, I can't remember how to pronounce his name. We've had him on the show. I should know. Also commented on the suit after the Supreme Court agreed to hear it. Under current New York law, a law-abiding resident becomes a felon the moment he or she steps outside their home with their firearm. This is a clear infringement of the Second Amendment. The NRA is grateful that the Supreme Court is tackling this critical issue. We are proud to be a part of this case, and we look forward to a future in which law-abiding Americans everywhere have the fundamental right to self-defense the way the Constitution intended. The immediate impact of the ruling is that New York's proper cause requirement is struck down. What is yet to be seen is how this decision will impact other states like California and New Jersey, both of which have concealed carry issuance guidelines similar to New York's, yada, yada, yada. The rest of this is not super important. So the important thing is that New York's gun permit issuance is very, very similar to LA County. Now, in other parts of California and other counties, Tulare County, it's not the same thing. Places like Tulare County, Tulare, in Central Valley, California, their gun laws basically mimic those of other Second Amendment protecting states. But in LA County, I have known this since I moved here, unfortunately, if you apply for a permit in LA County, you either A, have to be law enforcement, or B, you have to provide just cause. And that is what New York's, that's ultimately what this case was about at its core. Obviously, the larger element of it was whether you can actually carry outside your home. But it's a good day. It's a good day because here in LA, if California follows suit, so I have been wanting to get my CCW here in LA County for a long time, but to prove just cause, every time I get a death threat in my email, every time I get a death threat on social media, anything like that, I print it out, I file a case, or I file with the police department. It used to be in Hollywood, now it's in Burbank, because I want to have all of the paperwork so that I can go to a judge and put a big old stack of papers on his counter, on his dais, and say, this is why I need to carry a gun. But now I may not have to do that. So we will wait and see. I don't know. California, as you all know, is a sanctuary state for illegal immigration, crime, a whole plethora of things. So it's probably going to become a sanctuary state for Second Amendment non-compliance. That's man, I don't know. But then we'll have another case before the Supreme Court. Anyway, lovely, lovely morning of decisions out of the Supreme Court. Everybody head over to my website, thehollywoodconservative.us, sign up for my daily emails, go to my pillow and use my promo code Hollywood. See you tomorrow.